Hi everyone. The water pump in my fish tank broke, so today I'm gonna show you how to make a super simple replacement pump. Let's get started. Take a piece of hard, flat plastic and cut out 4 circles. Make sure you have 2 big ones and 2 smaller ones. Use a large piece of PVC pipe to make the pump chamber. This chamber helps hold the water pressure, keeps the impeller and motor shaft in place, and directs the water flow. Next, we'll make the motor mount. Take the 2 big circles, glue them together, and drill a hole right in the center so we can fit the motor in. The motor we're using is a 775 brushed DC motor. It's super common, affordable, and really versatile. Now for the impeller. Measure and cut a piece of PVC pipe into 6 equal sections. Then attach them securely onto the small circle. Add the shaft, then use hot glue to seal any gaps and make the impeller more solid. At this step, make sure to check everything very carefully. Once everything is done, connect the motor to the impeller shaft and tighten the screws. Solder the wires so the motor can get power from the power supply. Next, we'll install everything into the pump chamber. Since we're building a water pump, the most important thing is keeping the water pressure. So make sure to seal all the joints inside the chamber with hot glue. Close it up. Attach a pipe to the outlet to control the water flow the way you want. And finally, add the base for the pump. And that's it. Our pump is finished. Now let's go test it out and see how it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Like, subscribe video. Thank you for watching.